Welcome to DV Systems channel. In the world of government, military, and corporate communication, security is paramount. Sensitive information passing through networks is constantly at risk of interception and espionage. Fiber optic cabling, however, offers a groundbreaking solution to this issue, especially when it comes to reducing the risk of electromagnetic espionage. In today's discussion, we'll explore how fiber optics bring a level of security that traditional copper cables simply can't match. Electromagnetic espionage is a form of eavesdropping that relies on the electromagnetic fields emitted by electrical signals in traditional copper cables. Copper wiring, as a metal conductor, naturally emits these signals, which can be intercepted by hackers with specialized equipment to pick up and decode data, posing a significant risk for organizations handling sensitive or classified information. For agencies, businesses, and institutions that need the utmost security, the vulnerabilities of copper networks are too great to ignore. Fortunately, fiber optic cables provide a safer alternative by using a completely different technology. Fiber optic cables, unlike copper, transmit data using light pulses instead of electrical signals. Here's how this difference protects against electromagnetic espionage. Fiber optic cables do not conduct electricity, which means they emit no electromagnetic fields during data transmission. This eliminates the risk of intercepting data through electromagnetic leakage, making fiber optics inherently more secure than traditional copper cables. While no system is completely invulnerable, fiber optic cables are far more challenging to tap into undetected. Unlike copper, tampering with fiber optics often results in an immediate signal loss, which can alert administrators to a breach attempt. Fiber cables require specialized tools and techniques to access, adding another layer of security. Fiber optics are immune to external RFI radio frequency interference and EMI electromagnetic interference, which means they are unaffected by nearby electronic devices that could interfere with data integrity. This is particularly valuable for organizations with extensive electronic equipment or operations near radio transmitters. Fiber optic cabling is more durable and resilient, with many systems installed underground or within secure conduits. This physical security makes it harder for unauthorized parties to access or damage the cables. These sites often handle classified information that cannot be compromised. Fiber optics offer enhanced protection from surveillance and data leaks. Banks and financial institutions rely on secure networks for transactions and customer data, making fiber optics a strong choice for preventing unauthorized access. Hospitals and healthcare providers need secure channels for patient data. Fiber optics ensure that sensitive information is less likely to be intercepted or tampered with. Businesses dealing with patents, proprietary technologies, and trade secrets benefit from the security of fiber optics, reducing the risk of data theft or corporate espionage. At DV, we understand the need for secure communication networks. Our fiber optic solutions are designed to meet the highest security standards, giving your organization peace of mind when it comes to data transmission. With our expert team, we ensure your installation is completed with precision, using high-quality materials and advanced techniques to create a network that supports both performance and protection. Thank you for joining us to learn about the powerful security benefits of fiber optic cabling. By reducing the risk of electromagnetic espionage, fiber optics are a leading choice for secure communications. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on how to keep your network secure. For additional information on fiber optic installations and security solutions, give us a call at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com. Protect your network with the security and reliability of fiber optics.